Today I'm talking to Professor George Birkmayer about age-related macular degeneration in the studio of the Health Lounge. He is already online. Hello, Professor Birkmayer.
Hello, Ms. Renneberg.
You are the discoverer, inventor of NADH, the therapeutic effect of NADH. So what is NADH?
NADH is the biological form of hydrogen. The more of it the cells in our body have, the more energy they produce, allowing them to live longer and function more efficiently. However, in order to give our body more of this natural fuel for cellular energy production, it needs to be administered in a specially stabilized form. Professor George Birkmayer has succeeded in doing this as a result of decades of research. The Austrian scientist is regarded as a leading international expert in NADH. The effect of his NADH formulation has been proven in numerous studies, and the researcher enjoys a worldwide reputation in oncology, neurology, and anti-aging medicine, with his guest professorships and lecturing activities in North America, Europe, and Asia. What exactly is age-related macular degeneration? Age-related macular degeneration, or AMD for short, comes in two types. The first is dry macular degeneration, which is very common but progresses much more slowly than the second, wet type. It is characterized by the formation of drusen, which are yellowish deposits behind the retina that cause the photoreceptors to die off. As a result, the macula gradually loses its function and vision becomes severely impaired. As there is no cure for this form of AMD, we always say that the sooner the disease is detected, the better it can be treated. Then there is wet macular degeneration, in which blood vessels grow into the retina where they leak or cause fluid to accumulate. This damages the cells, resulting in possible cell death. Wet macular degeneration progresses much faster than the dry type and can lead to blindness if not treated immediately.
So how would I know if I had AMD?
You will usually notice impaired vision when reading and focusing. Letters are blurred or distorted, and faces are not recognized correctly. The progression of dry AMD cannot be stopped, but can be slowed by taking certain nutrients. A healthy diet rich in vitamins plays an important role here, because the macula urgently needs nutrients such as lutein, zinc, copper, vitamin C, and beta-carotene to function properly and remain healthy. You should also quit smoking if you suffer from AMD. For wet macular degeneration, there are 3 different treatment options: medication, laser therapy, and photodynamic therapy. We have also used NADH in combination with arginine at an ophthalmic practice in Germany and observed the following results: improvements in vision, clear sensitivity, and the depth of defects in the macula are improved. We have also conducted a study with a well-known professor of ophthalmology in Moscow, who has observed the following effects when using a combination with arginine in her patients: a positive effect on visual acuity and visual fields, contrast sensitivity in patients with congenital retinal degeneration and with glaucoma, and according to this professor, visual acuity improves 3-fold in patients with macular degeneration after taking NADH. Visual accuracy even improved by 100% in patients with Sjogren's syndrome. You can read more on this topic in my book, NADH, the Biological Hydrogen, the Secret of Our Life Energy. Age-related macular degeneration usually occurs in people aged 60 to 65 or older.
Fortunately, that's still a long way off for me. Thank you very much. I can still see you quite clearly.